arbitrationagreements.org. You've probably heard the term international arbitration before, but what exactly is it? At its core, international arbitration is a method to resolve disputes without going to court. Think of it like a private court system, but with a global touch. It's especially popular for settling business conflicts that cross international borders. Now, why would businesses choose arbitration over traditional court systems? There are a few reasons. 1. Confidentiality. Unlike court trials, which are typically public, arbitration proceedings are private. This means that businesses can keep their disagreements and sensitive information out of the public eye. 2. Flexibility. The parties involved can choose where the arbitration will be held, what rules will apply, and even who the arbitrators will be. It's kind of like customizing your own process. 3. Speed. Court cases can drag on for years. Arbitration, on the other hand, can be much faster. A survey by the School of International Arbitration found that about 60% of international arbitration cases conclude within 2 years. And 4. Enforceability. This is a big one. The New York Convention, a treaty signed by over 150 countries, ensures that arbitration awards are recognized and enforceable in those nations. That's powerful stuff when you're doing business globally. So next time you hear about international arbitration, picture it as this unique blend of private court proceedings with an international flair. It's an exciting space that combines law, international relations, and business. If you want to learn more information about international arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about international arbitration? Does it seem like a strong alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.